main challenge in Mozambique is to develop an education environment where the schools and the university educate youth in order to create a highly skilled workforce to participate in the new production revolution in the strategic development areas, social and economic, identified by the government of Mozambique. These include education, health, agriculture, energy, tourism, infrastructure, and natural resources. The current situation of the country is characterized by education system not aligned with NPA concept, unskilled labor and not ready to participate in NPA-based industries, introduction of NPA-based industry in sectors such as energy, agriculture, agribusiness, petroleum and gas, fewer job opportunities in the NPA-based industry for youth. The main project objectives are three. First, to expand internet access throughout the country. Second, to disseminate message, raise awareness, and educate talents and professionals on technological global trends, digital skills, and ecological sustainability practice, increasing their employment opportunity in agriculture, mining, and manufacturing, and increasing their competitiveness in the future labor market. And the last one, to promote inclusive development using innovative transfer methods of knowledge and collaboration through online lessons and workshops with physical participation. The project is to be implemented in 4 provinces: Tete, Cabo Delgado, Inhambane, and Maputo. The project will explore the emerging technologies, in particular the Internet and the other digital technologies, and their application and use in education and training on NPA issues relevant to the social and economic development areas defined by the government. The examples of the project outcomes are the awareness and dissemination of NPA concept among government entities, development partners, and NGOs. The strengthening of the quality of education by focused use of ICT-based platform to improve teaching, learning, and student achievement. The enablement of the secondary schools, technical and vocational education, as well as higher education level to deliver NPA content by the focused use of electronic platforms such as MOOC. The promotion of Mozambican talents technically prepared to become one modern, highly skilled workforce. The framework of Moronet, which is supported by the Mozambican government, can be considered an opportunity for further development, acknowledging the role of ICT platform as a relevant means to create a qualified workforce, thereby promoting knowledge growth. Main secondary schools, TVET institutions, health centers, community centers, and higher education institutes in the selected areas of Mozambique do face significant challenge to access the use of internet and other digital technology as a tool to contribute in improving the education and training of skilled workforce needed to accelerate economic and social growth of the country. This project will open the opportunity for the youth and other segments of the population to enjoy the benefits offered by the digital technologies, digital content, and other e-services available on the internet and critical for the provision of quality education and to address inequities, gender and geographical. The project will contribute in creating conditions for local content development and for the adaptation of the contents available in international platforms to address the specific needs of community and institutions to be part of this project. The project will not only disseminate and promote the NPA in the country, but will also showcase in pilot projects the digital transformation potential of smart ecosystem designed to support technology and knowledge growth by contributing in strengthening the quality of education, especially in higher technical and vocational education subsystems, by focused use of ICT-based platforms to improve teaching and learning process for improving student achievement.